Hey guys, Andrew King here from AndrewDoesReviews.com. Welcome to my Wealth Machines review. I'm here inside the members area and today I'm going to give you a full demo and a walkthrough on what it is and how it works. I'm also going to share with you the details about this product and the pricing, the upsells, and if they are worth picking up. And I've got you secured with the best bonus bundle that you can get your hands on if you decided that you want to pick up Wealth Machines via my link, which is going to be the first link down below in the description. Now, in a nutshell, Wealth Machines is a two-part system where they give you done-for-you products and they give you a training on how to run traffic to these products. So basically, if I scroll down inside the members area, you'll see that the Wealth Machines product funnels are here. So they give you a bunch of products, two funnel products to be exact. So they give you a front end and an upsell, and you get to keep 100% commissions throughout the funnel. All you have to do is send traffic. So if I go here where it says get your funnel link, it's going to take you to Warrior Plus and you can request your link. So you have to enter like a request here. You have to enter a request node. So basically you're gonna type in, they're gonna tell you inside the training what you need to type in order for them to approve you, so they know that you picked up the product. So basically once you type it in, you'll have your affiliate link, and if I go to products, you'll see that you get to keep 100% commission throughout the funnel, which is the front end in the first upsell. And I think this is really cool, especially for newbies. They give you done-for-you products, so they do all the work for you. All you have to do is basically send traffic to these funnels and you can start making money. So basically we have different niches as well. If you want to promote the productivity niche, the self-help niche, the SEO niche, the productivity niche, health niche, and so on and so forth. We have like I think 12 funnels here. I don't know how many, but they have included enough for you to get started, and this is just for the price less than a pizza, which I think is really cool. And if we go up here to the training, let me just try to scroll up. So if I go here, you'll see that there is a training included on how to drive traffic using different platforms like Bing Ads and all different platforms. I'm not going to reveal everything because you have to pick up the product in order for you to learn these methods. But basically, Wealth Machines are done for you products where you can send traffic, and they give you the training as well, showing you how to drive traffic. Now, if you would like to pick up Wealth Machines anytime during watching this review video, just click on the first link down below in the description, come through to my bonus page here, scroll down and click on one of these buttons right here. You'll be taken to the sales page where you can scroll down and pick up your copy of Wealth Machines. Now you have to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because once it does, all my bonuses will disappear and so will this page, and I don't want you to miss out on these bonuses. These are custom made by me and they are not going to be available through anybody else's link apart of mine. So bear in mind, if you would like access to Wealth Machines and all my exclusive bonuses, you have to get it from my bonus page, which again is the first link in the description. Now, this product went live yesterday, so you can go pick it up. It's already launched and you can go pick it up for $12.45 only. Now, let me show you my bonuses. So basically, my first bonus is going to be license rights to over 50 products. You're going to get the ability to sell over 50 products that did over $5 million in sales combined. So basically, you can promote these products and you can earn 100% commission throughout the funnel. Not only do you get these done for you products with two funnels, but basically I'm gonna give you 50 done for you products where you can earn up to $500 per sale. So if someone purchases the front end in all the upsells in one of these products, you can earn up to $500 per sale and you get to keep 100% commissions. We don't take anything from you. So basically, each sale you make, you get to keep that money 100% free for you. The second one is going to be access to Google Ads course. Now they give you like a training on how to drive traffic inside of here, but I don't think it's sufficient, so I have included some traffic related bonuses that will help you run traffic to these funnels and start making money. The bonus number 3 is going to be the Bing Ads Mastermind course. I'm going to show you on how to literally run traffic for pennies and turn those visitors into warm buyers. So I'm going to show you how to do that inside the Bing Ads Mastermind. The bonus number 4 is going to be Goodwill Pro. I'm going to give you access to Goodwill Pro. Now Goodwill is another product where Brandon Mays, the multimillionaire, he's going to show you on how you're going to be able to make money from giving out a free course. So basically you're going to give out a free course for $0 and you get to make money on the upsells. This is a really cool one and it converted really well for most affiliates. So I'm going to give you access to this as my 4th bonus. My 5th bonus is going to be access to Take It Pro. Now Take It Pro will allow you to hijack any page on the internet and you can add your own notification or like a banner inside this page without even asking for permission. So you can take any page you like, any page, any funnel, any website, you can put whatever you want on it. You can put a banner, you can put an opt-in form, whatever you want, and you can redirect all that traffic. Once you send it to that page, you can redirect it wherever you want, to an affiliate offer, to a sales page, whatever. This is going to help you so much if you would like to run traffic to the hijacked page. And once people land on the hijacked page, you can redirect them to your offers or redirect them to any one of these sales pages that they give you inside of Wealth Machines. Bonus number 6 is going to be access to the secret method that will siphon traffic from Instagram to your funnels. I'm going to show you a secret method that you can drive anywhere from 300 up to 500 visitors per account to your funnels, and these people will turn into buyers. Of course, you're not going to get like 300 sales per day, but you'll be able to get your feeds up the ground and make anywhere from 5 up to 10 sales per day if you follow this method correctly. The 7th bonus, I'm going to give you access to the Pinterest marketing software. All you have to do is plug this software to your Pinterest account and it will start driving anywhere from 50 up to 200 visitors per day to your pages, to your funnels, to your products, just like that. So all you have to do is plug it and let it roll and it will automatically drive traffic for you. Bonus number 8, I'm going to give you access to Aurora Pro. Now Aurora, it comes with a funnel system, it comes with the traffic modules like Instagram and Pinterest, but I'm going to focus on the traffic part. So it will allow you to go ahead and automatically follow people on Instagram and Pinterest, and once you follow people, they're going to visit your page from curiosity because they are curious who this guy that just followed us, who is he. So basically once they visit your page, your link is going to be in the bio and you're going to entice them. You're going to tell them like you can earn like $10,000, whatever. You can throw your pitch, and then once you throw your pitch, you're going to give them the call to action, like click the link to learn how to make $10,000 side income or something like that. Once they click the link, they go to your sales page. So basically you're gonna clickbait them to your sales page, and if they are interested, they'll make the purchase and you'll start making money. What's cool about this is it's automated, it's self-hosted, so all you have to do is plug your Pinterest accounts and your Instagram accounts and it will automatically follow people 24/7, 365, and you'll still drive traffic on automation while you'll sleep. So it's really good software. The 9th bonus is going to be a hack on how to get buyers' emails into your list. This is a really important hack. Nobody is going to show you this on how to get your buyers' emails into your email list. So it's really important that you get these emails from these buyers so that you can get a follow-up with them and sell them different products in the future. This is a really important hack. Nobody else is gonna share with you this hack, but you get this as a bonus, as my 9th bonus. And my last bonus is gonna be access to all the vendors bonuses. Now I don't know what these bonuses are, but what I do know is that most other affiliates are gonna be offering these bonuses alone. I have gone above that, and I'm pretty sure that I gave you the best bonus package that you can get your hands on. So basically, if you would like to get wealth machines, just go to the first link in the description, scroll down, click on one of these buttons right here. You'll be taken to this sales page where you can pick up your copy of wealth machines, and you're gonna get access to the members area. Now let's take a look at the sales page and the claims made here. So simple wealth machines, fill out your pocket with $4,921.45 while we kick back and watch the money roll in steadily. Just 2 steps, click, and you are in business. So it's really that simple. 2 steps, click. All you have to do is first go ahead and get your funnel link, and once you get your funnel link, you start sharing it, you start to promote it. So you start driving traffic to that link, and basically boom, you start making sales. It's as simple as that. They have everything done for you, so virtually no work required, just 2 clicks and you are in business. 100% guaranteed to work for anyone. I think that the claims made on the sales page are true, and you can see these guys have made money using these pages, so you don't have to worry. They converted for them, and they will convert for you as well. So it's that simple. Basically, this is the product creator. I think he's a multi-millionaire, William Allen. Now, William Allen is not in the make money online niche, but he recently joined and he's making these funnels. He is like crushing it in the make money online niche, and I respect this guy for making this product and making it so cheap. So basically, for less than a pizza, for $12.45, you get access to this. Now this is a no-brainer. Get it or don't get it, we don't care, but basically it's a really good catch, and it's a no-brainer. Basically with my bonuses, it's a no-brainer. So let me just jump right into the pricing and the upsells. Everything I just showed you, the software, the training, the landing pages, the training, the sales pages that you're gonna get, the product is gonna cost you $12.45. The upsell number 1, you're gonna get 10 more wealth machines for 47 bucks or $27. Now I got you covered in my first bonus. I'm gonna give you license rights to let me just go up. I'm gonna give you license rights to 50 products, so you can skip the upsell number 1. I saved you like 27 bucks. You don't need to pick this up. I got you covered in my first bonus. My upsell number 2, or the upsell number 2, is gonna be Wealth Machines Pro for 97 bucks. There is a downsell for 47. They're gonna give you the exact same done for you tools and free traffic that they use to make $73,000, $602.20 in less than 30 days without spending a dime. Now, if you want to learn their traffic strategies, you're gonna have to pay like 97 bucks, but I'm gonna tell you a secret. Once you are on the upsell number 2 sales page, you want to scroll down to the bottom. You're gonna see something called no thanks, I would like to miss out on this great offer, blah blah blah. You're gonna click on it, and it's gonna be the same exact offer for 47 bucks. You're gonna save a huge 50 bucks straight out of the bat. So I'm gonna tell you this secret. Nobody else is gonna share with you this secret. So basically, if you would like to get your hands on the upsell number 2, go for the downsell for 47 bucks and get $50 off. Pocket the difference. It's a huge $50. It's like 51% saved. So basically, I'm saving you money here. Pick it up or don't, I don't care. I'm doing a review here. You want to pick it up, you don't want to pick it up. It's at the end of the day, it's your choice. Upsell number 3 is going to be the auto blogging software for 97 bucks or you can get it as well for 47. Just do the same steps. Upsell number 3, scroll down to the bottom, click on no thanks, you get it for 47 bucks. As simple as that. So you're gonna get the powerful software that turns any blog an automatic auto click bank cash machine, running 100% on autopilot 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So basically, you get a software that will automatically turn your blog into an automatic autopilot clickbank machine. It will create articles for you, and it will link to different clickbank offers, and then you can make money from that traffic that comes to your blog in purchases via your links. So it's basically simple math. You can get it for 47 bucks, like I said. Upsell number 4 is going to be the done for you for $47. There is a down sale for 27 bucks here. Done for you evergreen affiliate campaigns, done for you automated campaigns, done for you CPA campaigns. So you get a bunch of done for you campaigns, done for you posts, squeeze pages, and all that good stuff. Now this is a really good deal for 27 bucks, but I believe in the down sale they give you half of what they give you in the upsell. So if you want to go for this, definitely go for 47 bucks, because you get so much more done for you basically campaigns. Upsell number 5 is going to be the copywriting training. They will show you simple secret professional copywriters and millionaire online marketers that they use to create sales pages. They're going to show you how to create sales letters, emails, blog posts, product description, ads, and all that good stuff for like 27 bucks if you get it on the down sale. Again, get it or don't get it, we don't care, but this is a no-brainer. I just wanted to share this with you guys. If you have any questions, hit me down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.